I asked AI to build me a plan to make $1 million in 9 months. And I'm going to be honest with you. If you follow that plan exactly the way it's written, most people will fail. Not because it's wrong, but because it leaves out the part that actually matters. So in this video, I'm going to break it down the real way, step by step, the tools, the cost, and what it actually takes if you're starting from zero. Now, before we even get into the plan, you need to understand something. Making $1 million in 9 months is not normal. This is not average income. This is not a side hustle. This requires focus. It requires consistency. And most people won't do what it takes to get there. But if you're still here watching this, you're already ahead of most people. Let's get into it. There are really only 3 ways to make $1 million fast in 2026. Number 1, selling a high-income AI service. Number 2, selling a high-ticket digital product. And number 3, building faceless content that pays you over time. Let's start with the fastest one. And I want to be clear about something. You don't need to do all 3 of these paths. That's where people mess up. They try everything and end up doing nothing. You pick one, you commit to it, and you go all in. That's how this works. Most businesses right now are overwhelmed. They have leads coming in, but nobody is following up fast enough. Calls are being missed, emails are sitting there. Money is literally being left on the table. And this is where you come in. You are not selling AI, you are selling time back to the business owner. You want industries that already have money, roofing companies, law firms, dental offices. Do not overthink this, pick one. You're going to use a tool called Go High Level. This is your CRM. This is where all the leads go. Then you connect it to a tool like Retail AI. This is your AI voice assistant. This is the part that makes you money. Your AI answers calls, follows up with leads, and books appointments automatically, while the business owner is sleeping. You use Apollo.io to find business owners. Then you use Instantly.ai to send cold emails. Simple message. Hey, I noticed you might be missing leads. I built an AI system that follows up instantly. Would you like to try it free for 7 days? That's it. You give them a free trial. Once they see appointments being booked automatically, they will not want to turn it off. That's when you charge $2,000 to $2,500 per month. Let me slow that down for you, because this is where people miss it. You're not charging for a tool. You're charging for a result. If that AI system helps a business book even 5 extra clients a month, and each client is worth $1,000, that's $5,000 in value. So your $2,000 price? That's cheap to them. Think about a local dentist, or a tax office, or even a construction company. They don't care about AI. They care about booked appointments. They care about revenue. You only need about 40 to 45 clients to hit $1 million run rate. Now here's something most people don't think about. You don't even need 45 clients all at once. You might start with 1, then 3, then 5. And as those clients start getting results, they refer you to other businesses, or they ask you to do more for them. So your revenue doesn't just grow from new clients, it grows from the same clients paying you more. That's how this starts to scale faster than you expect. Roughly $150 to $400 per month? That's it. Now let's talk about the second path. You do not need 1 million followers. You need 1,000 people who trust you enough to pay you $1,000. And that number might sound big at first, but think about it this way. 1,000 people on the internet is actually a very small audience. If just 10,000 people see your content, and only 10% trust you enough to buy, you've already hit that number. That's why this model works, when your message is clear. That's it. Use a tool like Perplexity AI. Search for the most common problems in a niche, things people are already struggling with. Use ChatGPT or Claude. Ask it to create a full curriculum, 4 to 6 weeks, step by step, scripts, lessons, everything. If you don't want to show your face, use HeyGen. It creates AI avatar videos that look real, or you can just use voiceover with slides. Use Kajabi. This is where your course lives, your sales page, your checkout, everything. Use tools like adcreative.ai, run simple ads on Facebook or Instagram. Now let's talk about the third path. Now you might be thinking, which one should I choose? And the answer is simple. If you want fast money, you go with the service. If you want leverage, you go with the digital product. And if you're thinking long-term, you build content. There's no wrong choice here, only the one you actually commit to. This is the one everyone is talking about, Faceless YouTube. And yes, it works, but it is slower. And let me be honest with you, this is where most people quit, because you might post 10 videos, 20 videos, and nothing happens. No views, no comments, no money, and you start thinking, this doesn't work. But the truth is, you're early. You are not chasing one viral video. You are building a system. One video is not the goal. 10 videos is not the goal. 50 videos, 100 videos. That's when the system starts working. Because one of them hits, then another, and suddenly, you're not starting from zero anymore. Finance, tech, real estate. Use ChatGPT. Turn trending topics into engaging videos. Use InVideo AI. Paste your script. It generates everything. Visuals, captions, voiceover. Use Midjourney for images. Use Canva for text. Use TubeBuddy, titles, tags, SEO. And this is where a lot of people underestimate the process. Because small changes here can make a big difference. One title can bring in thousands of views, while another one gets ignored completely. Same video, different title. That's why testing matters. You don't guess, you adjust based on what people are actually clicking. Now let me tell you the truth nobody wants to say. The tools are easy, the setup is easy, the motivation is there. But getting clients, getting views, getting people to trust you, that is the hard part. Because now you have to show up. Now you have to post, even when nobody is watching. Now you have to speak, even when nobody is listening. And that's the part nobody wants to talk about. But if you stay consistent, if you actually follow through, you separate yourself from 90% of people who quit before anything works. AI does not make you money. AI makes you faster at what already works. The tools are here. The cost is low. Less than a car payment. We are in a moment right now where the barrier to entry has never been lower. You don't need a team. You don't need a big budget. You just need to start. The only thing missing is you starting. So tell me in the comments, which path are you taking?